Hi, welcome to the house off Big Bethel Road. This is going to be a full renovation. Uh, Check this out, guys. We got a toilet 1 foot off the sink. So we're going to blow this wall back, the sink wall back 3 feet, and make it a little larger. We'll take this washer and dryer and move it over to this wall because, as you can see, we can't have water in our exterior walls because of cold zones. Always has to be on the interior wall. Then we're going to do some full painting. You know the deal. We're going to paint, patch, do what we always do. Clean it up. We're going to put some nice vinyl planks on the floor in here. Step into the kitchen. We're going to paint and trim all the doors. We're going to paint the cabinets. Paint the walls, paint the ceiling. My helper's already started taking the carpet out. The original plan was she wanted these removed, but unfortunately they are structure. They're holding up the attic floor. So we're going to have to come up with a new game plan, but I'm sure we'll figure something out. The other thing was she wanted this block wall out, but that also is part of structure. So unless it comes down to putting the beam across that, which I don't mind doing. It's just the extra cost and something that she has to be aware of. We're going to remove all this outdated paneling, refresh the trim on all the doors. My helper's already got the floors all stripped of all the carpet. We will have to replace some subfloor. As you can see, it's pretty well chewed up, but that's what they used back in the day with that old sawdust board, and it never lasted. Here's the first bedroom. Again, the trim will get painted, new color, new walls, new door. Same with the hallway. Here's the bathroom. I already pulled the vanity sink out of it. We're going to blow. She wants to keep the toilet that's bolted on the wall. Don't ask me why. That's what she wants. That's what she's going to get. My job is to take this wall and blow it forward. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to make this area larger. There's another bedroom. Same thing. Full paint, patch, trim work, doors. I'm going to see if I can't maybe sand down some of these hardwoods and save some of them. They're really pretty. This hallway closet will be removed. As you can see, I've already started taking out what I call the claustrophobic shower. But as you can see, look how thick that is. I mean, she is a beast. They built these things never to ever leak and to last forever. They used wire mesh, concrete, mortar, Sinset, whatever they had, I guess. And they made it impossible to almost get that out of there. I'm still working on it. This wall here is going to be removed. I'm going to try to blow it all back, maybe put a 3-piece combo, tub and shower combo in here. We're going to put in a new toilet, new vanity, freshen up some paint and trim. All this paneling will be removed. Cedar will stay in the closets. And I'm putting up all new drywall. This ceiling here will be replaced. As you can see, it's got the old ceiling tiles. It's all got to go. There's another bedroom. Same deal. All new trim, new paint, patch, repair. I'm going to try to save these floors again. I'm going to sand them down and see what I can do with them. I'm not sure if I can do anything with them, but I'm going to try something because I don't like to go over top hardwood if I don't have to. And probably come down the hallway with some nice laminate. Try to blend it all together once I can. And once we get done, I will bring you back and show you the after. All this drywall will be gone. I mean, all this panel will be gone and replace the drywall. We are gonna, like I said, we're gonna paint the cabinets and try to make them look nice. This in here will get painted, new trim, fresh paint. Again, we have the same support system holding the attic floor up that cannot be removed. So I'm gonna have to come up with a creative idea, either to put the drywall over to the bottom of it or try to blend them in white. These built-ins, that one there will be stacked on top of this one, opening that wall up. That wall there will be completely removed and it'll be wide open concept. And I'm going to paint the bottom of that, and then if we've got time and she can find the window sizes, we will be replacing windows, but at this time the window sizes are so oddball, I don't know what she's going to do about it. So once again, thank you for joining me on the first part of the video. And as you all know, the second half will be up when we're done. I'll probably see y'all in about 4 weeks. So take care, and once again, thank you for watching my video. This is Wayne from WD Paint Services. God bless you all.